always take just a little bit of assembly lube and put it right there between the cam cap and the cam. Which these aren't new cams. It's a 97 Saturn Sc2 with the 1.9 in it. Just doing a head job on it. Head gasket, piston cleaning. The timing chain look good. Tensioners, all that look good. I had the heads completely rebuilt, valve seals. What was going on was there was a lot of crank pressure being built up inside the valve cover, and the car was burning a lot of oil. So piston cleaning, carbon deposit cleaning, heads have been completely resurfaced, valve seals, the whole works. It didn't jump time anything, but this is like a 97 Pontiac Sc2, so it had a lot of carbon buildup, and I'm pretty sure the valve seals were shot. So it should run 100 times better. But this is the assembly lube I use, Lucas High Performance. This is what I use on every engine I build, Lucas High Performance. I've never had an issue. And I put it on the cam lobes. I put it on the rocker caps. I put it on everything. But this is the same assembly lube I use on main bearings, rod bearings. Same lube.